Hi, this is Hanuman with student ID 1540264, and this video is all about milestone one, which is related to where a alien grid should move from one end to other end, and it should come back when it hits the other end. As you can see, this is my main program, and this is my output. Now you can see like a few set of aliens have been moving from one end to other end, and there is an animation timer. As you can see, observe the aliens have been swapping their textures. As soon as it collides with the other end, suppose this right end, it's gonna change its direction to the other end by decreasing the y. And this is my output. And apart from this, I would like to explain few concepts I have been few design patterns I have been using in the milestone one. uh, First one is singleton pattern. uh, the, these singleton patterns are being used in this Space Invaders game, mainly for managers, sprite batch managers, and then uh, image manager, texture manager, in order to hold the instance of an object throughout the globally. We use this singleton manager. And then apart from this, I have used factory for to create the set of aliens to display, which are being displayed on the output. As you can see, these are set of aliens. I have used a factory design pattern to create this set of aliens. And one more interesting design pattern I have came across in this milestone is iterator, where why I'm saying more interesting is like it's gonna replace the junk of code with a single update function. You don't This update single update function is going to handle everything related to rendering and updating. And I'm gonna show you those class diagrams. And these are my game object managers and game object node. And apart from these, as I said, this is my class diagram for game object manager. This basically uses it will basically adds the all game objects into the linked list, and there will be update function which will basically called in the game class. It will basically holds all the game objects in linked list, and once we invoke this function, it's going to update each and every object, such as like for example, the alien grid which is moving here, the set of aliens, it's going to update each and one by one. And I have yeah, this is all about. Thanks.